Welcome. Here is how to know if PiggyVest matches your saving style. First, if you struggle with impulsive spending, check the Save Lock feature. This lets you lock away funds for a set period from 10 to 1000 days, preventing early withdrawals. Secondly, if you want to automate consistent habits, look at the main Piggy bank wallet. It automatically deducts daily, weekly, or monthly amounts from your bank account, so you save without thinking. Thirdly, if you save with specific person or group goals like rent or travel, look at target savings. You can set custom deadlines and target amount to track your progress directly. The fourth thing is, if you need immediate cash for emergencies, you choose Flex Naira. It gives you a flexible wallet where you can withdraw anytime you want without penalties. And also, finally, if you want higher returns than a standard bank account, evaluate their interest rate. PiggyVest offers high competitive returns depending on which wallet you choose. If these features align with your financial goals, then PiggyVest fits your saving style. Thanks for listening and good luck reaching your goals.